In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a table in Microsoft Loop effectively. This task, while simple, can be a bit tricky if you're new to Microsoft Loop or just getting started. So I'm here to walk you through the process step by step to make things as clear and straightforward as possible. First things first, you'll want to begin by opening your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any other browser that you typically use. Once you've got your browser open, navigate to the search bar and type in Microsoft Loop. Hit Enter, and you should quickly see Microsoft's official website in the search results. Click on it to access the Microsoft Loop page. Now that we're on the Microsoft Loop web page, the next thing you'll need to do is sign in to your account. If you're not already signed in, locate the Sign In option, usually at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your credentials, your email address and password to access your account. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll now want to navigate to the Microsoft Loop page where you'll be working. Make sure that you've accessed the page or document where you want your table to appear. If you're on a collaborative page, make sure you're in editing mode to ensure that all changes are saved in real time. Now, once you're on the page, the magic begins. Take a look at your page and hover your mouse over it. When you do this, you should see a small plus icon appearing on the interface. This is your tool for adding new elements to your document. Click on the plus icon to get started. After clicking that plus icon, you'll see a drop-down menu appear on your screen. From this drop-down, you're going to have a few options for different kinds of content you can add. But for now, we want to focus on inserting a table. So go ahead and select Table from this drop-down menu. This action will automatically add a table to your page. Now, with your table inserted, you can start customizing it to fit your needs. You can adjust the number of columns and rows, type directly into the cells, and even style it to match the look and feel of your content. Tables are great for organizing information succinctly and making data easy to digest. And there you have it, a perfectly inserted table in your Microsoft Loop page. Remember, tables are a powerful tool in organizing your content, so make use of them whenever you need to present data clearly and elegantly. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Thank you for watching, and have a fantastic day diving deeper into the world of Microsoft Loop.